Hey, how's it going, guys? So we went and got a welder, a welding table. We ended up also getting a couple more supplies for the car so we could prep it up and start welding sheet metal in. What I'm going to do now is add an unboxing video with a time lapse for the welder, the table, and us building them. It's not going to be a complete video, but it'll be little clips of it. We will be adding more clips in there of us practicing how to weld. By we, I mean me. I have a couple of family members with me that are helping me do all this. They're camera shy. On top of everything there, I will be adding pictures of the type of welder we have and the welding table we have. Alright, so we got the welder all unboxed, ready to go. It's not a bad welder. I picked it up from Canadian Tire for like 219 bucks. Not a bad deal for what I'm going to be using it for. We got the welder, we got the mask, and then we actually got a welding table, folding welding table, which we're going to unpack and get ready as well so we can start practicing our welds. Alrighty, so I'm going to put it on a time lapse here and get it ready to go. So we got the whole table unboxed, all ready to go. We're gonna get this table all set up and we'll come right back to you guys in a sec. So far, these are the welds we made. There's a couple of okay ones in here. And then there's all these shitty ones, trying to figure out the right settings. Then we have these. So we're just figuring out the welding process of how we can lay a proper bead down. Hey guys, so I just showed you guys my welds. I'm not a professional. I am learning. I'm trying to figure it out on how I can make this work. There weren't the best welds, but there is something that we can work with. You know how the saying goes, a grinder makes me the welder I'm not. So a grinder is going to be my best friend here as well. Now we're going to start working on the car, moving a couple of the things out of the way so we can start cleaning it up, prepping it up for the sheets to go in. I just want to try to get all the prep work done. What I'll do is I'll put it on time lapse and you guys can see what I'm trying to do here. Alrighty, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? So we ended the video early. I was having a headache. I'm still recovering from a flu from all last week. Just wanted to fill you guys in on what's going on. In the last clip I put in there, it was me cleaning up the siding. Oh, thunderstorm. I was cleaning up the siding to see where the rust ends and the metal actually starts and how much we have to cut out on it. What I was planning on doing is next week we'll actually get to the rest of the prep work, cut the pieces out and get it done. And just wanted to end the video there. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.